Do you know one of the greatest gifts you can ever give your child? It's not money. It's not comfort. It's consistency. And that consistency starts when mommy and daddy walk in unity. Listen carefully. When mommy say one thing and daddy says another, the child doesn't just get confused. They learn to manipulate. They learn to play one parent against the other. And when that happens, discipline loses its power. A divided home cannot produce disciplined children. From the beginning, God designed parenting as a team assignment. Genesis 1:27 says God blessed both Adam and Eve and gave them the mandate to nurture creation together. Parenting is partnership, not competition. When parents agree, children feel safe. When parents disagree, children feel lost. Agreement between parents creates stability in children. The father is the visionary and protector of the home. He sets the tone for authority, protection, and direction. Ephesians 6:4 says, "Fathers, do not provoke your children to wrath, but bring them up in the training and admonition of the Lord." That means a real father doesn't just back order, he models integrity. The father's example is a child-first Bible. The mother is the heart of the home. She nurtures comfort and reinforces the standard set by her husband. Proverbs 31 paints her as strong and wise, not silent but supportive. When mommy supports daddy's discipline instead of undoing it, the child learns respect and accountability. Mothers mold the message fathers give. Let's be honest. When parents contradict each other, children become experts in manipulation. They learn that rules are flexible, authority is negotiable, truth is relative, and the home loses its foundation. Division between parents destroys discipline in children. So, how can parents work in unity? Number one, agree privately before acting publicly. Pray together for wisdom. Define your family values clearly. Support each other's decisions. Be consistent. Let your yes be yes. Private agreement, public strength. When parents work in unity, children grow up secure, disciplined, and godly. They learn that authority is safe and love is stable. A united home becomes an altar where God dwells. That's how you raise champions. Not just smart kids, but godly seeds. When parents agree, heaven smiles on the home. So parents, work together, pray together, and raise your children together. Because when daddy and mommy agree, the children grow right. This message blessed you. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share. Someone's family needs this word today.